welcome back to my channel. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. And this is...
My name is Joel Estrada. I'm a 7 years active social dancer in the LA salsa and bachata scene. Welcome.
All right, so now today we're going to learn two variations of the crossbody lead, which is the crossbody lead with the inside turn and the outside turn. And at the end, stay tuned because we have a surprise for you. We're going to give you a fun combination that you can start trying on the actual real world.
And one thing, guys, this is an addition to the first video of the regular crossbody lead. So a lot of the fundamentals on the footwork are going to come from that. So I suggest you go ahead and watch the video and then join us again.
Sounds good. All right, let's get to it.
All right.
Sobredosis de alegría de Cuba.
All right, you guys, so now let's explain what's happening with the crossbody lead with the inside turn. We're going to do it in partnership right away. So we're going to do it in close frame, and we start with the 1, 2, 3 of the regular crossbody lead. So we go 1, 2, 3. Gentlemen, please notice how he's switching the hold from regular close frame to cup hold. Okay? So now on 5, your job, gentlemen, is to bring the lady across before you turn her, or everything bring her across. Let's try that. So we go 5, 6, 7. All right, so now let's get a little bit more detail. Joel, do you have anything to add for the leader?
Gentlemen, really quickly, you want to be smooth on your transition. So when you go 1, 2, 3, you're already in your good position to turn her. And then also on the 5, 6, 7, you're responsible for turning your hand counterclockwise on the inside turn. Boom.
All right, sounds good. So now let me add some stuff for the ladies since we are getting a little bit detailed. I love details. Okay, so we're here. Regular 1, 2, 3, we go. Ladies, make sure your hand is not squeezing the gentleman's hand because he's not going to be able to switch the hold. If you're here, try to switch the hold. Yeah, we're fighting there. So, and that happens all the time. So we're here. Relax your hand and let him do his job. Now, another mistake, another common mistake that we tend to make is already going forward on 3. So let's do 1, 2, 3 again. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Yeah? So make sure this is not happening. Your 3 is supposed to be right here close, and then 5, you go forward with the left leg, and also on the turn. Please do not squeeze his hand because he's not going to be able to turn and someone is going to end up hurt. So we're going to do the turn. I'm going to give you the exaggerated example of what you're not supposed to do. Sorry, Joel. And then I'm going to give you the example on what you are supposed to do. So this is the no. We go. You see? I'm squeezing his hand. Chances are that you are the one that's going to get hurt because he's usually stronger than you. Yeah? Normally. In this case, I don't know. Okay.
And, you know, a gentleman, if she is squeezing you, just make sure like you ease up and you kind of let her know like, hey, you're squeezing me. But if she's in an uncomfortable position like that, just make sure you adjust your body and then you reposition your hands.
But we're not going to do that, right, ladies? All right, so thank you, Joel. Let's go into the 5, 6, 7, which is supposed to be the way that we're going to do it correctly. Yeah? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. If you notice the hand, it's all the time fingertip to fingertip, yeah? So it's almost like if it was a magnet. Let's do it this way. It's a magnet. He's giving me resistance and I'm responding to that, and the turn happens just like that. He creates a circle going counterclockwise, and I respond to that connection. And that's all. All right, do you have anything to add?
No, we're good to go.
All right, well, let's do it one time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, you guys, good luck. All right, you guys, so let's try this to the count. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
5,
5, 6, 7. One more time on this angle. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, you guys, so now let's learn the crossbody lead with the outside turn, which is actually simpler, you know, because now that we know the regular crossbody lead with the inside turn, it's the same steps. It's just switching what's happening up here. So if you have any questions regarding the footwork for the crossbody lead, if you want it a little bit more detail, we have this video, so make sure you look it up, okay? All right, so we're here. We're going to do 1, 2, 3 of the regular crossbody lead. So we go 1, 2, 3. Remember, gentlemen, your job is to lead her going forward on 5. In this case, you're going to keep leading her all the way to the end of the slot, and then she's going to be turning on 6, 7 to the right. So let's try that. We go here, then 5, 6, 7. All right, do you have anything to add?
Let's do it one more time.
So one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, so do you want to add anything for the leader?
No, gentlemen, footwork stays the same. We're still cheating a little bit to the left as in the first video. So as we go 1, 2, 3, you already know she's going to do an outside turn, and it might be a little bit trickier for her than the inside turn. So on this one, you want to keep your hand right on her right shoulder up until she leaves on the 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, ladies, also make sure that you don't anticipate, because we tend to do that a lot. Be very sensitive of what he is leading you to do. Remember, you always have your slot, so you keep going until he tells you not to. Okay? So we're here. We go. 1, 2, 3. You're going to feel that he's pushing you down the slot on 5. So we go 5, and then he's going to turn you on 6, 7 when you have nowhere else to go. Okay? I've seen this happening a lot. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Because you are more familiar with this turn, I see this happening a lot. So big no. Remember, relax, and just try to follow his lead. So we go 1, 2, 3. It's very simple and chill. All right? Okay, so good luck, you guys. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's try it again now from this angle. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Otra vez. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, you guys, and because you stayed all the way until the end, we're going to give you some bonus. All right, so we're going to give you a fun combination that you're going to be able to apply in the social scene. It's going to be regular crossbody lead with the inside turn, and the crossbody lead with the outside turn, which we learned this week. And the regular crossbody lead we learned last videos. So if you have issues with the footwork, check it out.
All right.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and start with the crossbody lead with the inside turn, then regular crossbody lead, and then crossbody lead with the outside turn.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Let's do that.
Right.
5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Woo, fun. All right, let's try to the music, you guys. 6, 5, 6, 7.
And one more time.
Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like our video so far, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also, please don't forget to click on the notification button so you will not miss a thing. We're going to be trying to upload new videos every week. So,
Also, we are going to be doing bachata videos as well. So if you guys are excited for that, stay tuned.
and if you have any comments, please go ahead and feel free to put that in the comment box below, or any suggestions or anything is welcome. All right, thank you guys. See you next time. And in the meantime.